Okay, mine's next, and I'm going to deputize my wife to hold it up. It's the one I started, and she was out in the shop watching me, and said she thought she could do that. And then she went in and picked out the pattern of the fox, and I think she actually one-ups me by a long shot. But that's a heron, and again, it's done in the same single mono piece of wood, and then using Minwax stain to add the coloring, which is not classic intarsia. It's called coloring intarsia. Okay, and it gives you some opportunity to get a better fit because you're working all over the same piece of wood.
I've never thought of doing that with it.
It works.
I
It
just
works
keep changing the
really
wood.
well.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah, and it's considered by the intarsia people to be a legitimate form of intarsia. Although if you were to take a course from Judy Gale Roberts' studio,
Yeah.
that would be a no-no because they're classic using the different kinds of wood.